Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, "Every deed which Adam's son does is for him except fasting, for it is for me. I will myself give its reward. Fast is a shield, and on the day when anybody of you is fasting, he must neither use vulgar language nor fight. If anybody reviles him or fights with him, he should say, I am observing a fast. By him in whose possessions Muhammad's life is, the smell coming out of the mouth of a fast observer is dearer to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu than the fragrance of musk. There are two festivities for a person observing fast which give him jubilation. When he breaks his fast, he becomes happy, and when he meets his Lord, he will be happy due to fast." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1904.